everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a scene on GoGuardian. What's great about this is you can actually set the scene to your students as a default for your classroom, or even open up a specific scene during different parts of the day manually. So let's get started. Go to the Scenes tab on GoGuardian. Here, if you already have scenes created, it will look like this. However, if you do not, go ahead and click on that green rectangle up at the top that says Add Scene. Once you've clicked Add Scene, you will see a page that looks like this. Here, you can customize it to your students' needs. For example, maybe you want to have certain sites that are blocked during this part of the day for you. On this left side, where it says filters, you can actually create some filters. Allow mode basically blocks these specific sites. So it allows the other sites that haven't been specified except for these. However, if you click that sliding bar, it will now block any site that isn't from the specified list. I personally like to use allow mode and block specific sites that I don't want students on during this particular time of the day. Next, you are going to scroll down to the bottom of this page and you will see a section called Tab Management. From here, this is where you can add links that you want to auto pop up when this scene is activated for your students. For example, maybe you want to have Google Meet, Nearpod, Kahoot, any of those sites to automatically open up when this scene becomes activated. Then this is where you would put that link. You would add that link into enter a website URL and it will add it below. That means that these links will pop up when the scene becomes activated. Now that you have that set up, make sure that you save the page and it will be available to you. From here, you can edit your classroom, and under the settings tab of that classroom, you can set your default scene because it will appear as an option for you. Select the scene that you would want for that classroom. You can also activate the scene through the view of the classroom. So if you have a classroom that's already activated and you wanted to manually open up scenes or activate scenes, this is where you would click that drop down box on the right side where it says whole group, or if you don't have any scene activated, it could say none. When you click on that drop down menu, it will show you all the scenes that you have available. And this is where you can activate the scene of your choice manually for your whole class. Once you click that scene, it will auto open it up for all your students. I hope this video helps. Thank you so much for watching. And if you have any questions, please comment below. I'll be more than happy to help anywhere that I can.